What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good afternoon and welcome to this new video in which we'll talk about Gala or the Gala token or the Gala Games token, whatever you want to call it, but we'll talk about it. And then most of you that know me know that I usually talk about the news and some of the fundamentals, and then I also talk about the technicals. We'll do both, and especially for Gala at this point of time there is some news we need to talk about, and that's probably also one of the main reasons why you're watching this video. Either you know what happened or you don't, and you only saw this huge move, because this move is absolutely frightening. Went down from around 4 cents to 2.8 cents in like a huge volume, more than 800 million. You can see that right now. We've also kind of gone up again, as you can see, but we're still lower than where we were. Obviously, we had a nice bull run last week. And we were dropping, all right, but we were actually finding some support at 3.8 cents. So I thought we could hold that, but now obviously with the news that came out, we dropped down. So what happened? Well, it was yesterday, I think, somewhere in the morning. There was actually like $2.5 billion in Gala being minted in tokens, which well, that would be devastating. That would be huge inflation to the market cap, and Gala would practically drop down to like half a cent or something, probably even more. So that happened, and people started selling because of that. Started selling heavily, and then it came out that it was actually it was not a hack or an exploit, or at least they say. I'm purely going off of the news I've been told by Gala Games, right? And if you trust them or not, that's up to you. I do. And they said that it was a white hack, that there was something wrong in a liquidity pool on PancakeSwap by some DeFi liquidity pool provider. And what they did is they actually took that liquidity pool out to create a new one, right? So it was kind of, they kind of hacked it themselves in order for it to be broken, in order for the liquidity pool to be disbanded, and to prevent any hacks. But it showed that there was a lot of Gala being minted and people started selling. We've already recovered, and I think we'll recover even more, because as I said, obviously a lot of people got scared because of it, but it doesn't seem to be the case that anything really happened. I would even go as far as saying that only good things happened in the end. But that's at least all based upon what I know, right? That's based upon what we have seen and based on my research. Right now, what you can see is that to also take a look at the prices, that right now we're breaking above 3.5 cents. Already took a spike up to 3.7 cents. I think we're moving up there. I think we'll slowly start to trend back up, maybe find some resistance at 3.6 cents, but then afterwards start to trend up towards 3.8 and 3.9 cents. That will get interesting. I think that if Bitcoin actually is pretty bullish, so if it's around 21,000, then I think we can also close above 3.9 cents again and kind of consolidate here again. If Bitcoin remains at the levels we are right now, we'll probably drop down, and it will probably take a little bit longer before we'll be able to break above those levels again, and we'll just consolidate. Practically, that's what I think. We could also see some sort of a rally, but that's not what I'm expecting. So I won't go too much into depth about that, but sometimes that's what you see. After a huge sell-off, a lot of people want to buy because it's at a relatively low price compared to where the price was, and there weren't actually any bearish fundamentals, so people start buying, and that's why you could have a rally. But at this point, I think it's already too late for that, so I don't think that's happening. But that sometimes that's in these types of scenarios, that's something that happens. But yeah, so that's my take and my coverage on Gala for now. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, take care, have a great day, and bye.